So in this video, I'm going to be replacing the Flosser handle on this. It's a iTechnic brand water flosser that we bought about 3 years ago off of Amazon. I think we paid $35 for it, but it's done very well until the hose got a break in it right there. So I have already taken off the old hose. It was not too bad. It has the screws going in it and like so, and it goes like this over here. The hose had this clamp pushed over it so it would hold the hose tight against this, the opening. Now you have to take the hose off in order to get the hose through this channel here, which comes around to this side here. So we took all that apart, and the new one that I got today was from, I paid I think $19 off of Amazon, carrot pick. It's the same type of mechanism, has the release for the heads, and you can turn it on, turn it off right there. You do have to take this piece off. It's pretty much the same as the other. They look pretty much identical. You line those up, and then there's this piece here that has to go in there as well. So we're going to put this back together and see if we can get it working, and to save us from having to buy a brand new one. The pump itself works just fine. So we'll go ahead and put it together. So we just start by threading this hose in there, and then we're gonna push it all the way down inside. Okay, so we got this coming up through here, and we'll take it around. We're gonna go ahead and put this on there like so. Push that on there really good. There you go, she pops right on. And then push it down inside there. This has a little channel you can push those into. I can push the hose back up in there like so. So it fits nice and snug. All right, and you can just reuse the old screws that came with originally. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put the original screws back in there like so. Could have bought a brand new one, but the pump on this still works. So all right, so just like that. All right, so now we'll go ahead and put some water in it and see what we have. Okay, and then put a tip on there. Right, and we'll turn that on. There it goes. It's working. So, pretty easy to replace that, and it was like $19, $20 on Amazon. So, hope you enjoyed this video and it helps you replace your hose. Thank you.